It's used to separate a soluble solid from an insoluble solid, or separate an insoluble solid from a liquid or solution. And some examples would be separating salt from rock salt, or separating mud from water. The soluble material consists of very small particles which can pass through the filter paper with the solvent. Now the solid in the filter paper is called the residue, and the solution which passes through the filter paper is called the filtrate. The particles are too large to pass through the tiny holes in the filter paper. A soluble solid which dissolves in a solvent. Now a solvent is a liquid which dissolves a solute, and a solution is a solvent which has a solute dissolved in it. Evaporation is used to separate a solute from solution by boiling with a Bunsen burner. Evaporation to dryness or heated to dryness. So salts can contain water of crystallization, and there's an example. Hydrated copper 2 sulfate, and there's the 5 H2O water molecules which are built into the crystal structure. And some salts do not contain water of crystallization, and an example is sodium chloride. So here we have hydrated copper 2 sulfate crystals. Now the water that's part of the crystal structure is referred to as the water of crystallization. Now if we heat the hydrated copper 2 sulfate crystals, we get CuSO4, and that is an anhydrous white powder. Evaporation is used to obtain salts which do not contain water of crystallization. We use crystallization to obtain hydrated salts. Salts which don't contain water of crystallization. Sodium chloride. To provide a gentle, even heating of the evaporating dish, and prevents the salt from being lost from the dish by spitting out.